Hello everyone, I'm Derek Anderson with Coin Clarity, back with another casino review, this time at CloudBet Casino, a Bitcoin sportsbook platform with special security and one of the largest withdrawal maximums we have seen. CloudBet is a Bitcoin-only operation licensed in Montenegro, but since they don't accept conventional currency, there are no borders as far as players are concerned. Anyone from any country can play at CloudBet with Bitcoin, as long as your local jurisdiction allows it. As of our last visit to the site, the USA is not one of those jurisdictions. Joining CloudBet is pretty standard sign up for stuff on the internet fare. Give them a name and an email and poof, you're in. Pretty straightforward with their depositing too. Copy the deposit address into your personal wallet and away you go. One of the things that's really cool about CloudBet is that rather than solely relying on the blockchain to protect you from loss, they place your deposit into cold storage, with a separate storage on the blockchain for day-to-day withdrawals. Still worried about your crypto getting hacked? Well then sign up for their two-step verification through SMS for an added blanket of security. They also earn the live chat gold star as well as more pedestrian methods like email. Email. And now on to the bonuses, which like most of CloudBet's structure is pretty simple. They offer a single upfront bonus of 100% for up to 5 Bitcoin, with a free 5 millibitcoin risk-free bet on the English Premier League, with the minimum deposit being 1/100th of a Bitcoin, and they have no rollover requirement. Wait a minute. Did you just say no rollover? That's right, I did. Rather than requiring a rollover, CloudBet uses a point system. The formula works thusly. Your points earned in a game equal your stake in millibitcoin times the game score multiplier. They give the examples of the slot father being worth 0.345 points. You need 800 loyalty points before you can withdraw 1/100th of a Bitcoin. So math says that if we want to play slots with a game score of 0.345 and the target of 800 points to withdraw, then we would need to bet 2.4 Bitcoin before we could start withdrawing. The terms and conditions say you can track your loyalty point progress on your account profile. And I would show you, but I live in the US, so womp womp. Read them. They also give you a full calendar year to earn your loyalty bonus, which means you can use that bonus money to bet on your favorite teams. And that is where their extensive sportsbook comes into play. With the free bonus on the EPL, they also offer betting on all major international sports, close to every league of soccer worldwide. Aussie and American football, boxing, darts, snooker, baseball. I mean, they have all the sports I've ever heard of and a couple that I haven't. What the heck is Pesapalo? Finnish baseball, that's not at all like baseball. Cool. Anywho, their sports options are really where these guys are at. Tons of leagues, teams, and live in-play betting. They've got the sport you're looking for, whatever the season. They have a small collection of slots and table games as well, hosting many popular titles from software provider BetSoft, and they offer a free play mode. If you're looking to bet big, they have a small collection of live casino games with minimum bets ranging from 1 to 5 millibitcoin. CloudBet doesn't stress the provably fair games that are the North Star of crypto casinos, but they do emphasize fairness, using an RNG, citing certification by Gaming Laboratories International, and issued through Curaçao Gaming. While we have no reason to doubt their fairness, proof is proof. But CloudBet does not offer a verification formula for their games. While we would like to see more on provably fair, CloudBet is a good destination for Bitcoin players who want to have a wide range of betting open to them. That's it from us. Like and comment below and hit that subscribe button for the latest news, reviews, and updates on the world of crypto. In the description, you will find links to the Coin Clarity Casino review page and the CloudBet website if you're ready to dive in. Till next time, stay classy, people.